Hey guys, welcome back to another Crest Magic video. In this, we're doing a little unboxing of some cards that I got during Christmas, because it was Christmas recently. So how we're going to do this is, there's going to be this box, and we're going to fill it with a card deck, and then I'm going to unbox it and give it a little review. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I do have an off-current associate placing the cards in here, so I don't know what these are just yet, but let's just get right into it. What is in here? Okay, it says bicycle on here. Okay, so the tuck case has this gold foil that's embossed on it, and it has the gold bicycle logo on it as well. On the side we have the Majesty, which is interesting, shows a little bit more of this fine designing on the back. So let's just look at the cards really quick. Alright, so when we open up the tuck case, a bit of a plain inside it looks like, and then these are the cards. They're very purple, very gold, and the back design has this interesting design that I'm pretty sure was on the back. Yeah, it was on the back, and it doesn't have white borders like normal bicycle cards. It has purple borders like the cards. They feel really nice. They feel like a bicycle deck. Anything special about the actual cards? They are different from standard. You can see the actual pips and indices look a bit different. They don't look like a normal bicycle. The jokers look pretty normal. And the ace of spades looks like this. Pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty nice. They're very shiny, and the face cards are also like that. So that's the first deck. Let's get into the next one. Alright, next box that was given to me, right here. Feels like a deck is inside. What a surprise. Okay, so when we open it up, oh, okay. Deck 1 Industrial Edition, like that. The tuck case looks very, very detailed. By Theory 11, so Theory 11, and the tuck case is fully embossed with this metal, metallic look. Ace of Spades looks a little bit different. And on the back, it has this nice design on here, fully embossed, very beautiful. And the inside of the little flap looks like that. Sides, pretty cool. The cards, if you look, all the jokers are right there. That's interesting. Yeah, so these jokers are identical, look cool. Custom faces that are like these metal type things. And the back design looks like this, with these cool metal things. Looks very steampunk, really, to me, which is cool. They are a bit stiff right out of the box, but cool nonetheless. Yeah, these are very nice cards. They feel nice. Yeah, that's all I really have to say about them. Alright, the next card thing, let's just open it here. Ooh, the Bicycle Stargazer playing cards. Interesting. Let's open the cellophane. Okay, so let's take a look at these. The front is very metallic-y, shiny on the front of the tuck case, and on the back it has the, I'm pretty sure this is a back design, and the custom seal, like so. So when we open these up, they have the ace, they have a spade, which is a custom spade on the little flaps right there, right? Right when we open it up, the jokers are bright neon right here, which is very different. All of the cards are actually super bright neon on black cards. The back design doesn't have any borders, which is very nice for fans. Wow, that looks really nice. And spreads, it also looks really cool, like that. Yeah, these cards are very bright. Just kick the tuck case. The cards are very bright. They feel very nice. They feel like bicycle cards from USPCC. The fan is just so cool. See if I can do a riffle fan. Yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Yeah, these have a very cool design, and they're borderless, which I don't think I have any borderless cards. So these are very, very cool for like waterfalls and stuff. Super cool. Yeah, very excited about this deck. On to the next one. All right, the next one is in here. Let's just open it up. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Elf playing cards. I don't even like Elf. What is this? Oh. let's go over the tuck case, I guess. Yeah, wow. It has Buddy the Elf right there, and red and green, very Christmassy. Guess let's take a look at the cards. So the Elf playing cards. Let's give them a little review. Oh my gosh, what? Can't even open them. Get out of here. Okay, Jokers, identical except for that they are green and red. They are borderless. They feel ridiculous. Look at this. Oh, they feel so bad. Oh my gosh. They're a one-way design, as you can see. All of the faces are unique. Very unique. I can't. Okay. Elf playing cards. There you have it. All right, the next little package right here. Let's just open them up. Ooh, that looks pretty. There's 2 decks in here. Okay, so it says Fluid Art playing cards. Let's look at this one first. So this one has a very beautiful blue fluid art design on the front, designed for cardistry. On the back, it has a continuation design, very pretty tuck case, I might say. Distributed by TCC Playing Card Company. Yeah, let's look at the cards. Tuck case has this pretty green and yellow, or red and yellow. The Jokers are right here. They say Joker on them. Kind of funny that, most Jokers have some like pretty art design or something, but they just say Joker. Right to the point. The Ace of Spades, look at that. It has the shape of the spade, obviously, with the little fluid art thing. Pretty cool. And the actual back design is right here. I can't really describe it. It's just beautiful, right? It doesn't have very thick borders, so you can really see the designs when you fan them out, right? Pretty cool indeed. I've been waiting for these. These weren't really a Christmas present. These were a Kickstarter project. A while back, they just came from Hong Kong, and they just got here like during Christmas. All of them have the little fluid art in the pips, which is super cool. They feel amazing, and they're perfect for cardistry. So yeah, I'm very excited for these. And the other one is just about the same, except this is the orange edition. So the orange edition, the tuck case is, I love the tuck case more than the blue one, I think. The orange and blue contrast is very pretty. And the cards, I'm guessing, are just as pretty. Yeah, the back design is just like the tuck case with the orange and blue. Super pretty cards. Look at that. That's awesome. Looks really good on a riffle fan. Look at that. That looks awesome. Yeah, these are very beautiful. I love these cards so much. They're just gonna be perfect for cardistry. Oh, out of frame, doing a civil. Great. Anyway, yeah, these are great. Again, the custom faces and stuff with the fluid art inside, just a different color, which is pretty nice. One thing I don't like about both of them is that all of the pips, like no matter if it's a heart or a spade or a diamond, they all have, they're all orange. So it's a bit difficult to see what suit is what. So these aren't really magic cards. It would be kind of hard to do magic with them for like color changes and whatever else, because it would be a bit difficult to tell like the actual change because they're all the same looking. But the backs are very vibrant and they look very cool. I'm very excited for both of these decks. So on to the next one. I think this is the last one as well. All right, let's check out the last package of playing cards. Bicycle Amplified. That's what it says right here. Interesting. Yeah, the tuck case looks really cool with the little orange and blue contrast. And the back, pretty sure this is the back design right here. And the sides just looks very clean, very nice. If you care, my little pile of cellophane wrappings from all of these. Look at that. Look at that. So these cards, it has this texture in the middle, which is really cool. Little embossing on here, not a little, a lot of embossing on the Bicycle Amplified. Yeah, looks good. Let's open the seal. All right, seal, the opposite things right here. Open these up, add card. Yeah, look at the back design. Interesting. So this is a one-way design because one of them is orange and one of them is blue. So if you turn them the other way, it's different from the rest, which is interesting for cardistry, not too good for magic, I would say. But the borders are pretty big, so when you fan them, you don't really get the blue very well. Or if you're left-handed and you fan like that, the orange, that kind of popped up really well. They're a very nice deck. The reds are orange, which is a nice little touch. The faces look really nice with the orange and blue. The black is kind of a navy almost, like it's not fully black, it's kind of a navy blue, which is really nice. Oh wow, look at that Ace of Spades. Yeah, that looks cool. Yeah, the blue and orange little dots coming closer and getting smaller. Super cool. Yeah, I like this deck. I would say that it's a little bit more for cardistry than magic, which I understand, right? But yeah, it would be a bit hard to use magic, or you could use it to your advantage because you can have someone like pick a card and turn the deck, well, turn the deck, and then when they put it back in, you know exactly what their card is because it's the only one that is the other way. Okay, all of them the other way. Oh, because I did that double cut. Anyway, really nice deck of cards, really cool tuck case, and overall, great find of all the cards. Thank you to everyone that got me these cards. You know who you are. They are very nice, except for these. Get these out of here. Just kidding. These are really nice. I'm really excited to use them, and I hope you like this kind of style of video, this unboxing. I know my deck reviews aren't very viewed, my videos, but I think they're really cool to just unbox and see. So I'm excited to do some cardistry videos and magic videos with these. So overall, that's about it. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.